How to delete all voicemails on Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So locate your phone application and then tap and hold on the application. Now go to your app info. After that, go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. You can also clear your data and all your voicemails on your device will be erased. So it's that simple. You can also do it manually by going to your phone, then settings. After that, go to voicemail, and if there are any, you will have to cancel it or erase it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.